Now we will see divisibility test of 6. What type of numbers are divisible by 6? So listen carefully. Any number which is divisible by 2 as well as 3 will always be divisible by 6. So any number which is divisible by both 2 as well as 3 will always be divisible by 6. So 6 doesn't have a direct divisibility test, but any number which is divisible by 6 is totally relied on 2 as well as 3. So if any number is divisible by both 2 as well as 3, then that number will always be divisible by 6. For example, 216 let me write 216 only. So over here I have taken a 3-digit number 216. Is this number divisible by 6? So for that, don't speak, listen. See here, it's a simple 3-digit number. I have to identify whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, 6 or not. So over here, 216 is divisible by 2. Why? Because see, its unit digit contains 6 as well as 216 is an even number. So 216 is divisible by 2. Now 2 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 9. Since 9 is divisible by 3, so 216 is also divisible by 3. So see, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Yeah, you may say 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, what you are coming to know? 216 is divisible by 2 as well as 216 is divisible by 3. So from 1 and 2, 216. From 1 and 2, therefore 216 is also divisible by 6. So I have taken a simple number and first I have identified whether it is divisible by 2 and 3 or not. So since they are divisible by 2 and 3, therefore 216 is also divisible by 6. Let's consider one more example. For example, now nobody will speak, listen carefully. For example, 1260152. It's an 8-digit number. Now, is this number divisible by 6? So over here, 1260152 is divisible by 2. Okay. So this number is divisible by 2 that we have identified over here. Now add the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 0 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2. Let's see how much we are getting. 3, 9, 10, 15, 22, 24. Since 24 is divisible by 3, so 1260152 is also divisible by 3. So see, this is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2, what we are getting to know? You see, this number is divisible by 2 as well as this number is divisible by 3. So therefore 1260152 is divisible by 6. So since this number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, therefore this number is also divisible by 6. Okay.